Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to our channel. Thank you for clicking on this video to have a look at what it's all about. Before we continue, I'd like to ask you to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button and also hitting the notification bell, as we'll be making a number of videos related to this profit ladder Forex robot, which is currently doing really well. What I'll be sharing in this video is some back-tested results on the Aussie yen, and basically it was tested on a $10,000 account. Now it doesn't matter if it's $10,000 account or $1,000 account. By prorating the settings, you can get the same effect on $1,000 account. So without wasting any time, I'm going to be going into the settings. You can have a look at how the robot basically performs. So let's go to the back testing screen and let's have a look at what it looks like. Okay, here you can see that we're in the strategy tester screen. The period that we are testing is just over here. I'm just going to close these graphs here quickly, or previous results that I've tested on. We'll be looking at the growth in both balance and equity, and you'll see there we just had some trades that's opening up, and you will see that it immediately starts generating some profits just over 2 days. There you can see on the third day, fourth day, roughly, you start getting precise entries on either buys and sells where the robot basically detects turning points in the market. I'm not going to waste any time watching the entire testing at this speed. What I am going to do is I'm going to be speeding up the video now, and I'll catch you at the end of the testing, and we can chat through the results. We are now approaching the end of the year, and we're getting close to the end of the actual best results. You can see that we've had a nice smooth equity curve. That is the green line. The blue line has been choppy, and the reason for that is mainly because the actual robot is recovering any trades that is entered unfavorably, or if the turning point wasn't predicted precisely. So it will basically recover from any negative drawdown that you see in the graph here in this with this specific settings. Let me be very precise with this specific settings. Um, you can see that there's been a couple of entries that wasn't 100% correct, and then this forex robot has basically adjusted itself and went into recovery mode to recover and actually end up in profit. Hence you are getting a very smooth green line, which is your equity curve. And you can see that the results are looking really, really well, and that the account has grown by over $10,000, which is more than doubling your account since we started off with an initial balance of $10,000. Let's hit the reports tab. From the reports tab, you can see that we made a profit of $11,395 with a profit factor of 1.38. We're now going to be having a look at some of the drawdowns, etc., and how much gross profit we've actually made. But I think more importantly, let's have a look at the drawdown percentage. So here you can see what the maximum drawdown was, just over 20%. And I'm showing you this because I've got nothing to hide. I think it's a reasonable drawdown given the fact that we've just doubled our account on a $10,000 account. And you'll see that the percentage profit trades are over 70%. Now, this is really what makes the EA profitable. It really finds entries that are turning points within the market, and if it isn't 100% correct with predicting that turning point, it will recover on the profits. If this is something you're interested in, the link is in the description below where you can gain access to the actual Forex robot. And I hope that you do decide to sign up for this Forex robot. And if you do, then I'll see you in the members area.